Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a set of 10 card tutorial using the beautiful Harmony collection. To create these cards you're going to need the 12 by 12 paper number 6, the 6 by 6 paper pad and the cardboard stickers. Begin by trimming the paper following the lines. This will give you 12 3 by 4 cards. You're only going to use 10 of these cards, so you can pick your most favorite pictures. Your next step is to choose 10 pages from the 6 by 6 scrapbooking pad. I'm using some white card bases in a square shape, and I cut each of my pages to 5 1/4 inches. Once you've got those cut, it's time to adhere each of those pages onto the front of one of your base cards. Once you have pasted all of the bases down, spread them out in front of you and add a paper doily to each card. This will be the base for our embellishments. Your next step is to choose a 3 by 4 card for each page or each card. Try to choose colours that coordinate and contrast with the background paper. The next step is to glue your doily down onto the base of your card, and then you're going to ink the edges of the 3 by 4 cards with some dark brown ink, and then you're going to ink the edges of each card with the same ink. I use some recycled cardboard to layer my 3 by 4 cards onto. This is just an economical way of not having to use the mounting tape. The next step is to choose a flower for each of your cards and a little bit of chipboard, and then cut some sewing thread, some navy sewing thread for each card. Then choose a sentiment from the cardboard sticker sheet. This will be the finishing touch for your card. These sticker sheets are perfect for card making. These cards are quick and easy to make, and they're lots and lots of fun. Because the papers in this collection are so beautiful and vibrant, they do all the work for the cards. Now it's time to glue everything down. I used a hot glue gun because I know that will secure everything for a long time on the card. You won't have anything falling off, and it's quick and easy. So I layered my flower on top of the sewing thread, onto the chipboard, and then onto the card. And that is just a very simple embellishment for these cards, and very quick. You could add more embellishments if you wanted to, but for me, when I'm doing a set of 10 quick cards, I like to get these done quickly. The last step is to just mist the card with a little bit of blue misting spray and then a little bit of orange misting spray. And that just creates a little bit of the mixed media effect, which suits the papers of these cards. I think these cards took me about 2 hours to make. There was no fussy cutting involved. Everything was done quickly. Everything flowed beautifully with these cards because the papers really are magnificent. I hope you like them as much as I like them. When I made these, I just enjoyed every moment because creating with these Mintay papers is just pure bliss. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a lovely crafty day.